Hello, this is Jerome Srilia, and today I'm going to share to you the Centenary Philippine Independence series stumps. So come, let's get closer and have some fun. So I'm really very excited to share to you because nakumpleto ko na siya. Kasi dati ang gusto kong mga stamps lang. Change my mind na kasi napakatagal ko nang inaano to. Kung may more than 3 years, meron akong inaano to, kino-collect na o more than 5 years. So I decided na i-collect na rin ang first day cover. So ang pinagkaiba ng dalawa, this one is medyo may pagka ano siya, purple. This one naman is the dark blue. So I decided to buy them both, 'di ba? Not bad. So next naman, ito yung series 2. Continuation ng national anthem ng Philippines. Ito yung mga places na ano dyan, mayroon sila. Aguinaldo Shrine, Rizal Shrine, Barsawin Church, and Mabini Shrine. Lahat ng shrine na yan napuntahan ko na. Believe it. Next is ito naman yung series 3, Cavite Mutiny. 'Di ba? First day cover. Napuno na kasi ako bibiling ko na yung first day cover and just to move na lang. Ang series 4 naman is about the centenary of the Philippine Independence. Revolution siya. 'Di ba? Ito yung Philippine flag nung war. Yeah. There you go. And then this is the series 5. I think that's in Tirad Pass. Then this is the series 6. Patapos na yung yung kanta ng Philippine anthem ng Philippines. Ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo. So basically, these are yung mga let's say, sinabi natin independence is from being a colony sa Spain. Sa Spain lang kasi nasakop pa yung Pilipinas ng ng America, then ng Japan, and then back sa sa Americans. Anyway, so I'm happy na ko na sila na kumpleto. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye for now.